In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Lisp file in AutoCAD. If you've downloaded a custom Lisp routine and you are ready to put it to work, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to load it safely and confirm that it's ready to go. We'll begin inside AutoCAD at the command line, which is typically along the bottom of the interface. Click into that command line so your keystrokes go there. Then type APPLOAD or simply a P and press enter. Both commands open the same tool, so use whichever you prefer. If you don't see the command line, hover near the bottom of the window or press F2 to view recent command history. The goal is just to make sure AutoCAD is ready to accept the command. When the Load or Unload Applications dialog appears, you will be looking at a standard file browser. Now you are going to point AutoCAD to the folder where your .lsp file is stored. Use the navigation pane on the left or the drop-down at the top to switch drives and folders. Common locations are your Downloads folder or a project-specific directory. If you don't immediately see your file, check the file type filter near the bottom of the dialog and make sure it's set to show Lisp files. And confirm the file actually has the .lsp extension. Taking a moment here to verify the location and file name saves time later. Once you've found the correct .lsp file, single-click it to highlight it. Then click the Load button on the right side of the dialog. This tells AutoCAD to read the Lisp and make its commands available in your current session. Look to the bottom of the dialog for a status line that should confirm, successfully loaded. That message is your green light. If you don't see it, double-check that you selected the intended file and that it wasn't blocked or moved. You can also glance at the command line behind the dialog, which often echoes the same confirmation. With the file successfully loaded, click Close to exit the dialog. That's it, your Lisp routine is now active and ready to use in AutoCAD. You can run the commands defined in that file immediately, just like any built-in command. As a quick housekeeping tip, keep your Lisp files organized in a dedicated folder so you always know where to browse the next time you need to load one. And consider naming them clearly so you can recognize them at a glance. Thanks for watching.